Hi friends, now we are going to discuss solve problem 3.7 from textbook. It's I read, determine the current in each branch of the network shown in figure. This is the figure shown. See that there is A, B, C, D and this is E. It's a 4 ohm, 4 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm. Let us analyze this circuit to find out current through all branches. First rule we all know, the current sent through positive terminal of the cell. So therefore, here it is a current is sent. This is I. It is coming here and then current will go to two different branches. So to this side, suppose I take it as I1, then here it becomes I minus I1. So algebraic sum of current here must be 0. So from here it came I, through this one it went I1, here I minus I1. Let's see, let us stick to the notations in the book. In book it is given, that is here it's going I1 and here I minus I1. It will become more convenient for you to understand. Now this one is positive terminal is sending current. It is I3. It is reaching I1 here. So it goes I1 plus I3 here. So now this I1 will come to this side. I1 will come. So here again it goes I3. Now you can see here I1 minus I minus I1. It is. Now it is coming here. I1 is going to this one. I3 is coming here. So finally, it's I is going here, not I. It is I is going here. So it is I3 minus I. It's coming to this one, I3 minus I. So when we are taking it, plus I1 to this one. I1 minus went to this side. So I3 minus I plus I1 will come here. To this one, you can simply see I3 minus plus I1 minus I, and this is added, plus I plus minus I1. You can check this one very clearly. I3 will go through this one. Whatever was sent by cell came back to the cell. So through this again, here complete branch, if you check it, this complete branch, only I3 will go to this side. You add. So now I remove this one. Just. This is how the current is flowing through the circuit. How we can show, how we can just indicate current flowing through the circuit. Now it remains tracing of the loop. Consider loop A, B, C. We consider this loop as if all other loops are absent. We are considering A, B, C. A, B, C and again A. We trace it in clockwise direction. Clockwise means in this direction. So I can. It is here. It is here. It is here. And then it is here. So tracing is like this. Tracing along this one is in this direction, along this is here, along this is here, along this is here. Apply Kirchhoff's voltage law. See, how much EMF is sent? 10 ohm. In this one, find out. Resistance 1, 2 and 3. How many resistances are there? 3 resistances. How many cells are there? Only one cell. Now cell is sending current in the direction of traced loop. Traced loop direction is here, cell is sending current here. So cell is sending current in the direction of traced loop, that is taken as positive. So 10 is plus. This is taken as positive. There are 3 resistances. So product of these two first. 4I1. It's a 4I1. Here again, product of. Here it is, second one. 2I1 plus I3. Then here, that is I. Now let us check their signs. See, current through this branch is going here, trace loop direction is also this one. Rule is that if the current through resistor is along the trace loop direction, then it is positive, so it becomes positive. Similar manner here also, current and this two, they are positive. This is also positive. This is also positive. Now how to make the equation? We all know. The EMF is equal to the sum of product of I and R. So EMF is A. EMF is A, which is equal to 4I1 plus 2I1 plus I3 plus R. This becomes your equation. I simplify it more. It is 4I1 plus 2I1 plus 2I3 plus I get it as 6I1 plus 2I3 plus I is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. I take this equation somewhere here. That is 10 is equal to 6I1 plus 2I3 plus I. Same way, I can apply this Kirchhoff's law to another rule. A, D, C and A. I can apply it. A, D, C and A. How it is sending current? Now here I am taking it anti-clockwise direction. It is here. We have a freedom. We can take it clockwise or anti-clockwise. No problem. I am taking it in anti-clockwise direction. In this complete one, only one source. It is sending in the direction of trace loop. Therefore, that remains 10. This is going. Therefore, it becomes plus 4 I minus I1. Product of these two. Both of them are. Current is coming here. Trace loop direction is up. So negative. Minus 2. This is I3 plus I1 minus I. And here again, current is going here, trace loop direction is here, that is I. It becomes I. Let us simplify it. 4I minus 4I1 minus 2I3 minus 2I1 minus 2I plus I. Check it. 4 minus 2 and this one minus. It's coming as minus 6I1. These are 5 is 3I and then minus 2I3, equation number 2. This is equal to 10. I take this equation here. 10 is equal to minus 6I minus 2I3 minus 3I. This equation I got it. If you add these two equations, simply it becomes 20. This is cancelled. This one is coming as minus 2I. When we are adding it, that is coming as minus 2I. Just let me check it. It is. This one will become as plus. This is coming as plus. So this one will be I and I. It is coming as 3I. And then totally it is coming as not I. It is a 7I. It becomes a 7I. Once again recheck it. 4I plus. This is 2I3. Here minus and minus will become plus. 3 and 7. 7I. So these are plus 7I, so that becomes 8I. It implies I is equal to 20 by 8 or 5 by 2 ampere. 2.5 ampere. I is equal to 2.5 ampere. We got it current here. I is equal to 5 by 2 or 2.5 ampere. Similar way now, third loop is there. Already two equations we got it. Third equation, third loop. E, B, D and E. Third one. E, B, D and E. I trace it in anti-clockwise direction. It is coming here, and then coming here. This is anti-clockwise. EMF. EMF is a sending current in the direction of trace loop, positive. So that is phi. It's a positive. This current and trace loop direction is same. Therefore, this is also positive, which is equal to 2 I1 plus I3. This also. Trace loop direction and current both are positive, therefore plus 2. It's coming as I3 minus I3 plus I1 minus I. There is no resistance along this one, so no need to consider. So together there are two resistances and one EMF source that we have taken it as phi. Let us simplify. Phi equal to 2I1 plus 2I3 plus 2I3 plus 2I1 minus 2I. We get it as I1, it is 4I1 plus 4I3 minus 2I, which is equal to this one. Now there are three equations, 1, 2 and this 3, and there are three variables. We got it here, so we get it 4I1 plus 4I3 minus, it is 5 by 2. So it becomes 4I1 plus 4I3 minus 5. It gives us n is equal to 4I1 plus 4I3. I1 plus I3 to this branch. The current through this branch we require, so 10 is equal to 4 I1 plus I3. So I1 plus I3 is equal to 10 by 4, which is equal to again 5 by 4. This branch I1 plus I3, it is 5 by 4. We can see this. Now we want to find out. Here I1 plus we know, and then this one is also we know this is. So in this one we can take it, or in these all equations I rub it here. Take this one. 6I1 plus 2I3 plus, it is coming as 5 by 2 is equal to 10. Okay. 6I1 plus 2I3 is equal to 10 minus 5 by 2. That is becoming as 15 by 2. 6I1 plus 2I3 is equal to. So it gives us 12I1 plus 4I3 is equal to 50. If I take this into this thing, here again I get it from this one. 2I1 plus 2I3 is equal to 5. From this equation I got it. I multiply this equation by 2, I get it as 4I1 plus 4I3 is equal to 10. 12I1 plus 4I3 is equal to 50. Minus, minus, minus. Here we get it as minus 8I1 is equal to 5. Or I1 is equal to, it is I1 is equal to 5 by 8. I1 becomes 5 by 8. So this one it goes 5 by 8 ampere. Similarly, I3 also we can calculate. Once we get it as this equation, we can use 5 by 8 plus I3 is equal to 5 by 2. So I3 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 5 by 8. So it's 8 there, we can take it, and then it is 20 by 5, which becomes 15 by 8 ampere. I3 is equal to 15 by 8 ampere. In this way, we can find out all currents. We got I1 and I3. For all branches, we can find out current. That's all for this one. We will discuss. Our concept will be more clear when we discuss some more problems there. Just let me check it. Okay, 15 by 8. 15 by 8 somewhere here, fine. These all are. That's all for this one. This is solved problem. Refer book as well as video. It's a bit lengthy but not complicated. At the same time, you need to practice it for 2-3 times. Then automatically the answer or tracing you will be comfortable. That's all for this. Thank you.